Hello everyone, I am introducing my new friends for B. B. B is for lion. No. B is for
baby, you give me ice and fire.
B.
You're giving me wind and rain.
B is for
You're some kind of butterfly.
honeybee.
Baby,
Yes. B is for honeybee.
you whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
As you know, the sound of B is ba. Ba. Ba.
Baby, you
Ba.
give me
Ba.
ice and
B
fire.
is for honeybee.
You're giving me wind and
Honeybee, let's
rain.
score the honeybee.
Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak goodbye.
Now I am introducing my new friend B. B. That is for lion. No. That is for elephant. No. B is for leopard. No. Now I am introducing my new friend. B is for bat. The sonic of the bat. B is bat. 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 B for bird. No, I'm drawing bird.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my
Please
appetite.
character.
Don't leave me here high and
Maybe
dry.
time you call it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
No, I'm calling the turn of a
Gentle
bird.
wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me
Two color is used
midnight.
for wings and the tail.
You whip up my
And one color is
appetite.
used for the body.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
Please like my videos, share and follow my channel. Thank you so much.